All right, hi guys. I already did one video about how to do the or uh, yeah, how to do your ear test using the kit that they sent you from the University of Washington. This video, I will show you where to find the email that gives you the information on how to access the results of your test. And so I have Gmail here, but all the email programs use kind of the normal or uh, same design. It'll have this search bar, so I need to go in the search bar here and look for scan because scan is one of the words that they use. Scan stands for Seattle Coronavirus Assessment Network Study. Well, there's an S, but anyway. And then, here I received several emails from Scan. And so the email that's very important now that I've completed my test and sent it in is this one that says Scan Study and then says thank you and how to access your results. So I'm going to go ahead and click this email so I can read it. In the email, it'll tell you where the link is to the page that's going to bring you um, to the information page where you're going to put all the information in to see your result. And so here it says when your results are ready, you can view them here, and then here has the link. Also, it says here as a reminder, you need your unique barcode. And in my case, this is my barcode right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this because I'm going to need it in the on the information page. So now let's go ahead and click the link. And then it's going to bring us to this one page and says, give us one more link to view our results. So you're going to click on this, and then it's going to bring you to this portal. In here, on the first bar, it says here sample barcode. So you're going to put in your barcode, right? So I paste mine, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my date of birth. And then I'm going to click this gray bar down here where it says click here to retrieve your results. And so I'm going to click that, and now it gives me my result. On this one, it gives me my name and my date of birth, and then the result of my test. And my test was negative, so it says negative, SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19, not detected. And then it gives me the enrollment date and then my unique barcode. Yeah, so if your result is not completed, or if it's not not available yet, it's going to give you a different information than this one, and you'll know it because it'll tell you your test is not completed yet. And then it says here what to do next. Click the button below for your full test report, so you can click on this to get the full report. But because I'm just doing a video here and I don't want to go over 4 minutes of your time, so I'm going to go ahead and give you why do we need to take the test. It's very important because you want to know, right? As a family member, you need to know to protect yourself and your family. If you don't have the COVID virus, then continue what you're doing because you're doing it correctly. If you are positive, it's very important to know and for you to share with your family members. So that way you can isolate yourself, or yeah, the very first thing is to isolate yourself from your family. Um, yeah, so to protect them, and also reach out to your public health, so that way they can help you, our local officials, so they can help isolate yourself. I mean, if you don't have a place to isolate yourself, you can look for help with the city or with the county or the state. Um, and so it's very important. It's also very important to note that just because your test is negative doesn't mean you're going to go out there and voila, you're good. No, you still have to continue protecting yourself, wear a mask, social distancing, stay home as much as you can because that's the safest right now is to stay home. Uh, and um, and continue to retake the test, especially if if you go out, if you're very active and into public, or your household family members are essential workers. These guys are out there, in my family. That's why we take the test regularly, is because every single member of our family that works are essential workers. And most of us Pacific Islanders are. So please, I highly recommend to reach out to me. Reach out to any one of the PI Community Association members so you can get the priority code for the scan test, so you can request one for you and your family. Okay, so if you have any question, I'm always here. So reach out to me, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you very, very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video or like other videos that you watch on my channel, and also click the bell button so that way you can get updated information and get the notifications for any new videos that I put on my channel. Okay, goodbye and be safe.
So